ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ನವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಾಗ ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನ್ 18 HP ಬಾನೆಟ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬೇಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಆನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೊಸ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ತಪ್ಪದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Keep running faster and faster. I don't know where we're after, yeah. We keep having disaster. I'm thinking that they're after. I wanna dance with you till the end of the night. I wanna dance with you for the rest of my life. What's over one you know.
Can't feel my soul and my heart on my damn face, cause I ain't be nothing without her. I came with no queen and no damn kingdom, serving up hate with a cold vengeance, but I hate it with can't slip. Yeah, she's got me hooked, I'm down, I ride, leaving, she tried to kill me, I can see it in her eyes. Yeah, she's got me shook, this mind of mine, I'm bleeding, can someone heal me, I can't deal with no more. You're unbreakable. Feeling powerful.
When I see you dancing, I know you're a 10. It's some kind of magic, we both know it right away. I can hear the party, don't want it to end. Getting real ecstatic, we both know it right away. I can't seem to deal with this, you try so hard to pull me in. I can hear the party, don't want it to end. Getting real ecstatic. We don't even know.
soul and my heart and my damn face. Cause I ain't be nothing without her. I came with no queen and no damn kingdom. Serving up hate with a cold vengeance. But I hate her with conflict. Yeah, she's got me hooked, I'm down a ride. Leaving, she tried to kill me, I can see it in her eyes. Yeah, she's got me shook, this mind of mine. I'm bleeding, can someone heal me? I can't deal with no more. Lord, unbreakable. Feeling powerful. Nothing's getting in the way. Lord, unbreakable. You're invincible. Be unbreakable again. Can't feel my soul and my heart and my damn face. Cause I ain't be nothing without her. I came with no queen and no damn kingdom. Serving up hate with a cold vengeance. But I hate her with conflict. Yeah, she's got me hooked, I'm down a ride. Leaving, she tried to kill me, I can see it in her eyes.